Hello everyone, I'm Summer Gamal, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to pronounce the sounds of letters. So let's get started. The first sound here is a sound. A. So repeat after me. A. So A is for what? A is like the sound at the beginning of the word apple. Apple. Axe. So again, apple, axe. So let's move to the next sound. So the next sound here is b sound. So b, like the sound at the beginning of the word bear. Bear, bird, bird, bear, bird. So again, what this sound? This sound is b sound, and b is for what? Bear. B is for bird. So let's move to the next sound, and the next sound here is k sound. K. So k, like the sound at the beginning of the word cat. Cat. K. And the sound at the beginning of the word car. K, cat, k, car. So let's move to the next sound. D, like the sound at the beginning of the word dog, and the sound at the beginning of the word duck. So again, d, dog, d, duck. D, dog, d, duck. So let's move to the next sound, and the next sound here is sound. Sound like the sound at the beginning of the word egg, and the sound at the beginning of the word elephant. So again, like the sound at the beginning of the word egg, and the sound at the beginning of the word elephant. Egg, elephant. So this sound is f sound, and f is for fish, and f is for farm. Okay, let's move to the next sound. Here I have g sound. G, and g is for goat. G is for gum. Goat, gum. So g, like the sound at the beginning of the word goat, and the sound at the beginning of the word gum. Okay, so repeat after me. G, goat, gum. So let's move to the next sound. The next sound here is h sound. H sound. So h, like the sound in the word hand, and the sound at the beginning of the word horse. H, hand, h, horse. H, hand, h, horse. So let's move to the next sound. So this sound, as a short sound, is pronounced like ink, insect. Ink, insect. Ink, insect. Okay, so what this sound again? This is sound. Okay, as a short sound, as a short vowel sound, it's pronounced like sound. So like the word ink, the sound at the beginning of the word ink, and the sound at the beginning of the word insect. So let's move to j sound. This is j sound, and j is for jar. Jar, jacket. Jar, jacket. Okay, so let's move to k sound. K sound. K like the sound at the beginning of the word kite, kite, and the sound at the beginning of the word kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. Okay, K kite, K kangaroo. Let's move to L sound or L sound. You can say it like L or L sound. Both are correct. Okay, L like the word line, and L like the word lemon, lemon, lemon. Okay, L line, L lemon, L line, L lemon. Okay, let's move to M sound. M, M, M. Like the sound at the beginning of the word monkey, 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 and the sound at the beginning of the word milk, 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 monkey, milk. Okay, let's move to the next sound. And here the sound of N sound, N, like the word nest, like the word nine. So N like the word nest and the word nine. Okay, oh, like the word octopus and the word ox, like the word octopus and the word ox. Oh, like the word octopus and the word ox. Okay, let's move to p sound. P sound. Try to release some air. Okay, try to release some air. Okay, so pronounce it like p sound because this is unvoiced p. Okay, say it like pen, panda, pen, panda, pen, panda. Okay, so this is p sound, p sound, p sound. Okay, let's move to qua sound. Qua like the word queen and the word quillet. Qua queen, qua quillet, qua queen, qua quillet. Okay, let's move to the next sound. Or you can say it like r. So rat, rabbit, and try to roll your tongue. Roll your tongue, okay, to get the sound. Roll your tongue and say it like as a rolling R. Okay, it's called rolling R. You can say rat, rabbit, rabbit. Okay, let's move to the next sound. The next sound is s sound. S like the word snake, the sound in word snake, and the sound at the beginning of the word sun. So again, s snake, s sun, s snake, s sun. Okay. Next sound is t sound. So t like the word tiger, like the word tiger, 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 and t like the word tree, tiger, tree. Okay, let's move to a sound. Okay, we will take this sound as a short vowel sound, so we're gonna say it like a sound. So a umbrella, a uncle, a umbrella, a uncle, a umbrella, a uncle. So again, what this sound is pronounced like a sound. Okay, let's move to v sound. So v sound is like the word van, like the sound at the beginning of the word van, and the sound at the beginning of the word vet. V van, v vet. So again, what this sound is v sound, v sound, v van, v vet. Okay, let's move to w sound, and w sound like the word window and the word wolf, like the word window and the word wolf. So again, w sound, w sound. Okay, w window, w wolf. Okay, so let's move to k sound. K sound. Try to pronounce k sound with s sound. So say it like k sound. X. Like the word axe, like the word fox, like the word axe and the word fox. Okay, so again, x sound like the word, like the sound at the end of the word axe and the sound at the end of the word fox. Okay, let's move to y sound. So y sound like the word yo-yo and the word yam. So again, y sound like the sound in the word yo-yo and the word yam. Yam. Yo-yo. Yam. Yo-yo. Yam. Okay, let's move to the last sound we're gonna take. The last sound here is z sound. Z sound. So z like the word zoo and the word zigzag. Z zoo, z zigzag. Okay, z zoo, z zigzag. Okay, thanks for watching. Goodbye.